have ever built is on the launch pad. It's almost fully fueled, and it may take off in just over 4 minutes. That's what's happening. And the craziest thing about this, not only is it the largest rocket that anybody's ever been crazy enough to build and try to launch, not even try, they succeeded to launch it a couple times already. They're going to try to make this rocket come back and land on the launch mount. Like on the launch tower, there are sticks that are sticking out the side of the tower. We call them the chopsticks, and they're going to try to catch the rocket out of the air like Mr. Miyagi style. It's nuts what SpaceX is trying to do there, but that's what's happening today. That's why you should sit down and you should watch this, because if it happens, it's history.
We are approaching 200 seconds.
200 seconds?
Yeah, 5 seconds, it's just 200 seconds. You can do it. There's not a lot of things you can do anymore until the next launch of Starship. For example, make a pizza. No longer possible.
Not possible.
If you don't have a pizza in front of you right now, you cannot
eat pizza during. Look at that.
It looks like an extension of the ocean.
It is making it out to the ocean. Wow,
that's insane.
The winds today are just so gentle, calm. Look at the weight. Look at the royals in the vapors there out in the flats.
This is spectacular. Please countdown proceed as you do right now.
Under 3 minutes.
Look at that. Tower vent is back. That confirms propellant load on the ship has been completed.
We have a fully loaded ship.
There's the view from South Padre Island over that way. Folks, in Isla Blanca Park, down there in the bottom of the screen, 6 miles away. If you make it to Texas, you can watch from there. That's public viewing. It's the closest you can get, except for Antares, doesn't fly right now, that you can get to a launch pad in a public area like that.
Chet, are you excited?
I'm excited.
Just wondering. Chet.
My name's not Chat, but you know.
Yeah, I'm just curious, Chet. How's it going?
Hey, Russell Snodgrass, thank you so much. Russell says, I'm so happy to be sharing this experience with the NSF team. Y'all are awesome. So nice to see Marcus earlier as well. Can't wait to see the catch. And coming up under 2 minutes now, we have one more update. Alex, what's the word?
So far, so good. It looks like the boats have cleared the area and there's no hold expected for this countdown. So we expect in 1 minute, the clock will just whoosh through that T-minus 40-second gate.
It's just going to go.
Just a few things that we will see in rapid succession. You will see a weird vent that appears on the OLM that goes like upstream, but just a bit weird. That's usually the first sign that they are like under 30 seconds. After that, we will see, of course, first the DSS, the suppression system.
The suppression system.
And after that, the water deluge system will kick into full gear.
You got to talk faster.
And once that has happened, the next thing, rapid fire, and that thing goes. That's your next minute. That's your next minute, because this launch is happening in 1 minute from now.
Look at that. Everything ticking. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day out there. Everybody is making sure their tripods are ready, their cameras are ready, they're limbering up, their heart's beating. One day we'll put heartbeat sensors on all the NSF team.
You should really do.
We'll have telemetry down the side, and you'll see everybody's heart rates going up. But that's 45 seconds, y'all.
Alex and I did that with our Apple Watches at some point. We peaked at 160.
Okay, I've seen the vent that occurs at T-minus 40 seconds. It looks like they are going. Watch out for the DSS.
All right. DSS is a cloud down at the bottom of the rocket. Underneath the launch pad, you'll see some mist sort of start to go off, trying to control that environment.
Like the director is go for launch, I've just heard.
Excellent. Go for launch.
DSS. Watch for the water deluge plume that will appear in any second now.
Yep.
In a huge sploosh.
It's down there at the bottom. Watch the bottom of the pad here.
There it is.
There it is.
And Raptors.
Ignition.
Next up, of course, after that will be the hot staging.
Be on the lookout. Coming up on a minute and a half into flight here.
Look at that.
Look at the purple plume in the middle there. Wow.
The viewing conditions are amazing for this flight.
There we can see, I think, 33 healthy engines. That's good. That's good for staging. That's good for our chances of a catch.
Coming up on 2,500 kilometers per hour, approaching 30 kilometers in altitude now.
Watch on the right side, because the first thing you will see is the ship engines like spooling up, because that happens before the stage.
Look at the green there, from the twilight, sort of like hitting the engines.
Absolutely stunning.
2 minutes into flight. Continuing to go downrange. Now remember, the show's not over. It is possible that more than half of this rocket will come back towards the launch pad, and excitement is guaranteed.
Hot staging should come up.
Watch for the flare out the side. That's the hot staging ring here.
Track from us, by the way. And hot staging.
There it is. Wow.
They are performing a go, no-go poll for the catch now.
Okay, two things. There's two things on your screen. There, the booster has turned around and it's lit its engines again. It's coming back home, it looks like.
And this is the moment where they actually will commit. This is the moment where they make the first call. Are they going for a catch?
They're looking at everything. The booster looks like, it looks to me like it's coming this way.
Yeah. I see. That looks healthy to me.
Nice even spread, the plume expansion there around the back of the booster on the right-hand side. That pin in the middle of the right-hand side, that is what they're supposed to catch it with.
You can see the booster on the ship side.
Look at that. Also, mentioning the ship here, 6 healthy engines.
Nah, the ship's going downrange. Good job, ship. It's fine. Go do your thing, ship. We want to see the booster.
Look at that. It's almost golden.
First shutdown. Running on 3 engines, and that's the end of the boost back burn.
End of boost back burn, and now we are waiting for the go for catch.
Catch has been sent.
Beautiful view here from the ship.
And so exciting to hear that we got a go for booster catch. That means it's going to be a really exciting morning. Again, the booster is making its way back towards now land in order to make that catch attempt in the tower.
So incredible to see these views. You can see the ship on the right-hand side of your screen. All 6 Raptor engines are under full power. Once again, the booster is making its way back to the launch site. We are going to try and catch it using the chopsticks on the launch tower, the exact same tower that it just launched from just, wow, 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, and the booster...
Starship on nominal trajectory.
I can confirm the command was sent.
This is amazing.